Alright guys, sup? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually doing some customization on the Doodlebug fenders. Now, the rear fender I'm not really doing customization to because, well, I have to, hold on, sorry, really going too close. I have to shave this part, I have to cut. See where that's shaving right there? I have to cut that. I have to cut enough, probably a shape, so I'm going to take Sharpie and basically trace it out up to above that, right here where my nail is, so it can basically just not have the chain hit. And then I'm going to clean it up and put a different stencil on, like I'm doing for this. And now I have a soccer stencil right on, which I'm doing in orange spray paint. Now the stencils are pink, so you can tell how much spray paint I've used. This is the third and final coat. So when I take it off, hopefully it actually looks like a soccer ball. But yeah. But we are just waiting for that coat to finish, and then I'm using Krylon Fusion all-in-one, rust-free paint and primer all-in-one, maximum rust protection any surface. So yeah, it actually works. I've actually been using this brand, also Rust-Oleum, for quite a while. So, but I've been using this brand for quite a while. Guys, we'll be seeing. I am doing another project, another decaling on my truck. Actually, I'm putting the Medway Mudding Madness. I am decaling Medway Mudding Madness on the cab over that's supposed to be on it, and then I'm putting Mikey Muddy, so MM, and quite a few others, and ZM, or LM for Lenny Mudda. But I've got a lot of spray painting actually to do. But I'm gonna wait for this to dry a little bit. Okay, so I already used the soccer one. That one, yeah. This one, this fender right here, I have a money one I want to use on that. So I'm probably thinking, because of the way this thing sits, the money would be right there in the center. Now, obviously, it's not actually hooked up right now, but it would sit right here in the center, so that's where I'm thinking of putting the money. I would put it here, but I've got the Summit sticker on there and the Doodlebug sticker was originally on it. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan on cleaning this thing up. Doing some other modifications. Other than that, basically it. I gotta figure out a way to make this thing faster, but until then, I think we're good. So this was part 2 of the build project, mostly just showing you guys around it again, and what I'm doing for the fenders and everything. And I'm going up in 2 days to go up north to get this repaired and the new bolt in, and to get I'm only bringing one fender because that's the only fender I need chopped up. So the rear fender I'm bringing to get chopped up because of that one section. In the front. And then I'm putting this back together. I gotta find the gas tank. Gas tank. That's the one thing I gotta find right now. Then, if I get all that together, it'll be fine. But, until then, this project is kind of on hold. Well, until I find it, basically. But after I get this done, fender piece chopped out that I need, and then it all back together, it's on hold till I can find the gas can and gas tank. So, yeah. But I will be getting the drone this weekend, actually. So, yeah. But, yep. Basically, my only drying thing right now because it's been raining a lot outside, so I don't want to stick it outside. Now, all this is gonna be rear facing, but it's still pretty cool. So at least have some details on it. So that's an update for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.